Hello friends, welcome to Maria's Tasty Tales. Today we are going to make tasty and delicious steamed red bean buns. These fluffy steamed buns are filled with sweet red beans. I'm a big fan of these steamed red bean buns. They are very nutritious. Let's start by making the red bean filling. I have taken 200 grams of these dark red rajma beans. When it's cooked, it gives that rich and creamy texture. Clean and wash the beans 2 to 3 times. These are my favorite beans. We need to soak them for at least 8 to 10 hours. I have soaked the beans overnight. Once they are soaked, you can see they are doubled in size. We need to cook them for 60 minutes on low to medium flame. By now the beans have become soft and mushy. Now to a pan I am adding 1 tablespoon butter and 1 cup granulated sugar. We will stir it continuously till the sugar melts and turns it into light brown color. We'll add some water to loosen it a bit. I'm adding 2 teaspoons rice flour to get a nice consistency. You can add rice syrup instead if it's easily available to you. If you're using rice syrup, reduce the amount of sugar so that it doesn't become too sweet. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and stir it well. The beans have cooled down. Using a potato masher, we'll coarsely smash the beans. Now we'll add the beans to the sugar mixture and mix it until well combined. The beans mixture is done. We'll set it aside to cool down before we stuff it into the buns. Now let's prep the dough. I'm adding 1 cup of whole milk to the pan, 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt, 10 grams of butter. Stir in till the butter is completely dissolved. We'll set the milk aside to cool down. While the milk is still warm, I will add to it 1 cube of ready-to-use yeast. You can easily get this yeast in the bakeries. Once the yeast is dissolved, we'll transfer the mixture to a large bowl. Add 2 cups of maida and mix it all well. We'll transfer the dough on a flat surface. Ensure your hands are clean and washed well. Simply combine all the ingredients and knead until a smooth dough is formed. No lengthy kneading is required. The dough is ready. We'll cover it with a plate and keep it in a warm place to proof for an hour or until the dough doubles in size. Once the dough is done proofing, we will knead it again for 2 to 3 minutes to get rid of any air bubbles. Now we'll shift the dough to the flat surface again and divide the dough into 5 equal portions. Roll each bun into a thick wrapper. Now add the filling to the wrapper. Gather the edges of the dough around the filling and pinch the edges together to close the opening. Repeat this process with rest of the buns. All our buns are ready. Let it rest for 20 minutes before steaming. Start steaming the buns once the water boils. Cook it on a medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Soft and delicious steamed red bean buns are ready. These fluffy, sweet treats are best when enjoyed freshly steamed and warm. Do give this amazing recipe a definite try and share it with your loved ones. And friends, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed already, then press that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.